And this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable background data usage on your Android phone. So there's a couple different ways we can try doing this. If we go to the top right and go to settings, we can just go to apps, the first way we want to try this out. Now let me try this one more time and go to apps. And there should be a setting on your phone that will allow you to limit this. So let's just go to the first app and scroll on down. So let's look for it now. And it could be in a couple of different areas. So we got mobile data right here. Allow background data usage. You can just turn it off right here for that one specific app. And then it should work. So if you notice one app is using a lot of data, just turn it off for the background there. Allow data usage while data saver is on. You can try that one out. So you have that option. Another one is, if you go to the top right, scroll on down, go to About Phone. Then you might see build number on here depending on your brand of phone. But Samsung, you have to go to software information and tap build number 5 times. This will unlock developer options. Then back out. And I'm not going to go to developer options. I'm just going to type in this keyword. It's called background. Once you type in background, scroll on down. And go to the developer options. And then you can see background process limit. Tap background process limit. Now we'll go to developer options on the top and scroll on down directly to this option. Otherwise, it's very difficult to find. Then we can tap on background process limit. And then we can just go to no background processes. And this will limit the processes for your processes or apps on your phone. So you're going to be selected for standard limit, but you can try a different option here. If you have a low-end model phone, this might help speed it up because there will be less stuff just working in the background. So it could be convenient for you for that reason. You can just check this out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.